how much TikTok paid me for 1.2 million views.
TikTok, I did not know you could make this much money on here.
Today we're exposing Brickle23. In the last 18 days of them having their account, they've gotten over 183 million views, making anywhere from $12,000 to $18,000.
Here is how much money I've made after being in the TikTok Creativity Beta Fund for 1 month.
So let's talk about what it's actually gonna take to get you started moving in the right direction through the TikTok Creativity Program. Step one, start by picking a niche. That can be something that you enjoy, that you're already focused on doing on a regular basis, or that can be something that you have done research on and data statistics are showing you it's gonna be a smart choice for creating content in the future. From my experience, making money online, always a great niche across many different platforms, although the competition is high, thus your quality when it comes to video creation will need to be a factor that you take into play. Satisfying videos, things such as chopping wood, manual labor, really anything that's satisfying. I guess you guys can look that up, and I'm sure you've seen them on the YouTube Shorts. Satisfying videos that make you feel like you want to keep watching, and mainly just to see what happens next. Not a storyline per se, more so something physically that's taking place that you want to see manifested through completion. That to me would be the perfect definition of a satisfying video. Some of the other niches you can think about if you're wanting to get into something with less possibility of having to show your face can be the use of AI in addition to something that's original, something that you can put a hook on that's like the first 5 seconds of the video, and the rest of it be simply a voiceover, such as news updates, current events about other countries or your country, food, health, wealth, sports, the list goes on. But anything that you preferably are already interested in and know a lot about can be made into a automation style channel on TikTok and other platforms that you can grow on. Step two is gonna include finding inspiration. That means doing a bit of research, actually comparing those in your niche who are already having success, already showing that it is a niche worth watching. Perhaps some of the creators you're already watching that may have gotten you interested in the niche that you've chosen. That usually would consist of researching their channel, doing a bit of looking through to see what hook is working, what style of videos they're making, what exactly they have at the end of their videos, what call to actions they're including in every video to entice the viewers to continue viewing and take action. Like the list goes on, but you want to do research on exactly what is working for the niche that you've chosen, what has proof and consistency that you can utilize to replicate and reiterate as a creator, so that you're not just starting from nothing. There's no reason to start from zero when there's creators who have already done it before. Use your research, use some data, simple reverse engineering of the creators you're already watching will give you more information and a path to start on from A to Z to where you want to go, give you a goal line, but also can show you that it is possible.
Why isn't it possible? It's just not. Why not, you stupid?
Now, as stated, this is just a quick high overview of what can be done with the TikTok Creativity Program. However, if you want more information, just let me know in the comments below. I can do a full-blown tutorial with strategies and a walkthrough of the actual program online through the TikTok platform so that you're more aware. But I just wanted to put it out as it is fast growing right now. It is kind of recent in the media. People are still talking about it. So you can become a part of that growth that TikTok is having again in their creativity program. Step 3, video creation. So you're gonna need, of course, a hook. You've already done your research on what works in your niche. So you should have somewhat of an idea to kind of guide you in the direction that you want to go already. Most people are going to say that if you want to pick something that's faceless, you should use AI. I can give you a quick breakdown on how that should work, but that's simply up to you. You can do current events, you can do sports, you can make a niche of your own. That'd be tough, but it's possible that you can update people on, and if it works for you. Whatever works for you, as long as you're consistent, you should see results, especially on TikTok, where people get more views and more activity and response from the audience just in general, due to the way the platform is created. Using AI such as ChatGPT can assist you in creating a script that will be filled with keywords, filled with enticing information. It may not be as current as you would want it to be, but you can simply fix that with copy and pasting things that you have researched elsewhere. However, ChatGPT is a great tool to use as building your audience, creating videos. A lot of that can get a bit antiquated, just slow you down with the process itself. So making use of any tool that you can to speed up that process is a really smart idea. ChatGPT, step one when creating a video for scripting. Next, you're gonna need to possibly use a voiceover if you don't wanna use your own voice. Some people do, some people don't. You can use 11 Labs. They have a plethora of voiceovers that you can choose from that may match your video, may need to be prompted in a different way so that you can have a voice that you feel matches your niche a bit better. Or if you've done research and you see there's a specific type of voice that does work, you should use that. So research again others who have had success in your audience or in your niche, and make sure you use some of their tools, such as the voiceovers, such as the aesthetics of the video, such as the times they're posting, such as the amount of videos that they're posting. All those things come into play when you're trying to gain viewership and traction as a creator. So we're still on step 3, but we've broken down video creation from the scripting, step 1 with ChatGPT, the voiceover, step 2 with 11 Labs or whatever you choose to make. Of course, this is speaking on a faceless video, so you're gonna need something to give you imagery. We can use the AI tool Midjourney. That is a tool that can help you generate images, and you most likely will want to keep them changing frame to frame every 1.5 seconds. It's very important that we keep the viewer engaged, and on TikTok things move a lot faster, since the video will most likely be only 1 minute, preferably 1 minute and 1 second, as if you're wanting to qualify for the creativity program on TikTok, it does need to fit in their requirements, which includes videos that are over 1 minute. So as stated, it's a quick run through of the opportunity that's available right now in the TikTok creativity space. Just wanted to break down simply as possible how you can get involved. Step 1, pick a niche. Step 2, research that niche, look up competitors, come up with a game plan on how you want to approach your content creation. Step 3, simply put, actually create the content. Stay consistent, stay innovative, stay original, and reiterate what you see is working elsewhere. With those 3 steps, you should be well on your way to gaining followers. With those 3 steps, you should be well on your way to gaining followers as a creator in the TikTok creativity program, which has been proven to increase incomes which has been proven to be increasing people's income. which has been proven to be a viable way to increase your income within the next 30 days. So coming up with the game plan, simply executing, staying consistent, and actually taking action, remembering to use those call to actions will help you grow on the TikTok platform. And if you do it right, you can be qualified as a TikTok creator in the TikTok Creativity Program. It's rather new, so if you get on it now, you can be a part of the growth that is occurring, as well as some of the first round of creators who are actually getting paid from that program specifically. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to ask, leave it in the comments below, or let me know what you would prefer me to do next time regarding tutorials on TikTok affiliate marketing, TikTok creativities programs, and anything in the media space that you think is a viable way to gain viewership, increase your audience space, increase your income. I'm willing to join in on the research and create content to help people understand how exactly you can be involved.